If you want a choice for both today and for tomorrow, you need to understand the facts. The Oregon Employers Trust, your trust, was established to provide companies like yours a choice in workers' compensation coverage.
We feel pretty confident that it's in our best long-term financial interests to remain group self-insured, because your costs for workers' comp are based almost purely on your claims, on your accidents, the size and frequency of your claims. And OET helps us keep those down in a much more aggressive way than traditional workers' comp insurer does.
Your trust is moving forward, and it has a sustainable business plan to provide your company a workers' compensation choice. Your Oregon Employers Trust Board of Directors and management team are dedicated to the proactive stewardship of your trust.
I think that there's just more consciousness and awareness about tracking the claims, having a culture of safety, and general knowledge that it's all important.
When a team member is injured, being able to get the right doctors and specialists and everything in place as quickly as possible can be very beneficial to them. Furthermore, Oregon Employers Trust helps us with the Employer at Injury program, which is where the state will reimburse you a percentage of the employee's wages if you bring them back at light duty. Oregon Employers Trust goes further to help us with it than any other insurer I've ever worked with. And as a result, I don't think we missed a single dollar of Employer at Injury program money that was available to us.
The trust remains the only coverage option that works to be your company's advocate in the complicated world of workers' compensation coverage. Your Oregon Trust is moving forward.
The model is sustainable in a way that no other company in the state is. I think our ratios are right. Our ability to choose our risks is a huge plus. I feel like there's really no doubt in my mind that this thing is going to build and build.
I think that Oregon needs the trust now more than ever, because increasingly the other workers' comp players are leaving the Oregon market. And soon, without the trust, there will only be one insurer in the market, which I think commoditizes workers' comp insurance. Oregon needs for there to be another option for them.
Your Oregon Employers Trust has solutions to your workers' compensation problems and answers to your workers' compensation questions. Help us help you.
Ultimately, I think every company needs to make the decision that's best for their company. Everybody that I have spoken to that is in the trust have experienced the same thing that I have, aggressive claims management and cost containment, and it is orders of magnitude better customer service than we were accustomed to getting from the other workers' comp carriers. So when you have an ownership stake in your workers' comp insurer like we do with Oregon Employers Trust, our interests are much more closely aligned.
Stick by the Oregon Employers Trust, and the trust will continue to be your advocate. Oregon Employers Trust.